If you're self-employed, health insurance is probably one of your top concerns. Do you really need it? What's the cost going to look like? And how do I even find a plan? Well, there's really three options as far as being self-insured. The first option is you can go without health insurance, just flying in the wind, hoping that nothing bad happens, then paying cash out of pocket if something does happen. You can certainly do this. I would not personally recommend it. It could be very costly and just put yourself in a bad spot. Would not recommend doing that. The second option is getting private health insurance. So these are private health plans that are independent of most of the top carriers. There's a couple of good things with them. They can tend to be moderately priced. Sometimes they're a little bit more expensive, but it kind of depends on what your coverage amount is. They have much more limited networks, and then they do tend to have a financial cap for the year. So they will only cover X amount. Also, these plans will tend to screen out any type of pre-existing conditions. So let's say you have diabetes and it's been an ongoing thing for you. A private health plan may or may not cover that cost of care. So something to be aware of if you're looking at private health plans. Now, the third option, the one that I personally recommend, is going with an ACA plan. You can sign up through this at or-insure.com. We have access to all the top carriers. So Blue Cross, Cigna, United, just to name a few, available in pretty much every single state. And depending on what your income is as a self-employed individual, you may be able to qualify for subsidy, which would help cover the cost of that monthly premium for you. Also, with self-employed, you can write off most of the cost of your health insurance premiums. So this can be something that has a tax benefit for you in addition to having a health benefit. So to check out plans, visit or-insure.com, find a plan that works for you, and you can get yourself enrolled in about 15 minutes.